Well, I caved. I finally picked up a Traxxas TRX4M. Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC. Today I guess we're going to look at what I caved to, picking up a Traxxas TRX4M. And I actually have had this for a few months now. I just haven't gotten around to opening it. But I do need something to kind of carry with me on trips, and this is a rig by all means performs pretty decently and is small enough to me carry around on small trips. So looking forward to seeing what I can do with this, and welcome to the unboxing of this Traxxas TRX4M Defender. Now once again, this is an 18th scale rig, so a little bit larger than the Axial 124 scale rigs. Just taking a look at the box, you got this panel here. The side panel comes in 4 different colors, I think. There's the rear. 4 different colors. You can see I got the silver one. These other colors are pretty nice too, but I wanted the silver one. Take a look. Now this is an RTR and also includes the battery and the charger. It runs on a 2S LiPo, and it's got that USB charger deal that most of these small crawlers have nowadays. Alright. Alright, let's open this up. Let's break the seal. Alright, first thing I'm going to pull out is the manual. Got some tools. Zoom out for you a little bit. Manual. Alright. I got this upside down. There you go. Once again, this is a full RTR. It's got your USB charger right here. 2S 750 milliamp LiPo. Let's open this up as well. There. All right, let's move on. Here is the remote. Traxxas TQ remote. No frills. Steering trim. And I guess that's it. Not much else. But yeah, no frills, pretty basic. Takes 4 AA batteries. Probably will replace the radio system. And here is the TRX4M. Definitely bigger than a SCX24. Now these are hard bodies, so they're not Lexan, they are hard bodies. That's probably why it's got all this protection on it, but yeah, it's a plastic hard body. Let's take a look at that. It's a Defender D110. Pretty nice. No interior though. Probably have to figure something out for that. Definitely want an interior. Here, plastic links. Let's see, how do you open this? Don't remember how to, oh, right here. So it's got a latch system right here. These clips latch onto the chassis, and that's how you mount the chassis, or mount the body. Here's the battery tray, DSC receiver all-in-one up here. Servo, you can see it's got a 180 sized 87 turn motor, brush motor. Not much to it. I mean, that's basically it. The body goes on just like that, clips on. Again, you see here, there's a clip release right there, and a clip release right there. So unclip that, unclip this, and the body comes right off. But I mean, that's about as basic as you can get for an unboxing. It's not like a 10th scale where there's more going on, but overall it looks like a pretty good base for a very capable small scale rig. Really excited to see what I can do with it. The body here, it's pretty nice. It's a hard body, so it's got some nice detail to it as well. Some scale details right there. High lift jack, spare tire, fuel cans. But definitely do want an interior though if I'm going to run this as a scale rig. Shocks feel pretty nice. So this dude is the next project on the bench. Really can't wait to get this kind of going. See where I can get this. May even change the body, even though I like the body. I like Defenders overall, but there are other bodies that I like as well. So definitely want to look into changing the body. But that's about it for this unboxing. There's not much to unbox. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for future updates on this Traxxas TRX4M. Thanks for watching.